friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'll be showing you how I make my fairy garden. Now this is a collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by Grandma Sandy. Now, if you'd like to see how I did this whole fairy garden, then stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos, including healthy lifestyle cooking. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. I'm always very appreciative of your support. Now, let's get started and show this fairy garden. These are some of the old fairy garden items that I had used last time, and today I'm putting them all together and making a new fairy garden. So this is actually step number one, is just getting all the pieces together, and then I will put them all in a new fairy garden. So let's go ahead and put it all together. I've just put 2 plants in, and now I'm going to be taking some of the stones to make a pathway right in this container here in the middle of the 2 plants. The pathway is now completed, so we'll get the rest of the plants in and then we'll take a look midway through the process. We've just finished adding all the plants to the fairy garden, and we're going to be going upstairs. Here we are at the very bottom of the house here. One fairy just graduated from college, has their certificate or diploma in her hand. There's the other fairy saying welcome at the entrance of the home. Apparently they're having a party. There are some little pigs going up a ladder here. Can you see those pigs? They're actually climbing on each other to go up on this ladder here. Can you see that ladder? They're just climbing up to go up to the house. So there's a ladder, and now they're at the entrance of the house. They are actually having a party. Here is the dad. An angel is there as well at the house. There's some tools that they are using. They just use that to clean up the garden, and everyone is there waiting to have this big party for this graduate. So let's go back downstairs. To see if we can get them to go upstairs to the party. She's the graduate. These are the pigs climbing up the ladder to go to the party. The home is beautiful. They have plants on either side of the steps. It's really pretty. And here we are at the house where everyone is waiting to have this big party for the daughter. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much, Sandy, for organizing this collab. I am always very excited to participate in your collabs. I remember last time I did my first fairy garden, and here I am doing fairy garden number 2. So thanks again, Sandy. Thank you, everyone. Please go over to Sandy's channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to the channels that you like after you've watched the various videos. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. And I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.